You might want to just be safe. Just be safe. There's nobody else calls it in.
Wow, yeah, wow.
Welcome to social media. Everybody's taking out their cell phones and taking pictures.
Someone's. What are you doing?
I'm taking out my phone and taking a picture. I just said it, didn't I? I said it was bad. I didn't say I was going to do it.
Wow.
It's pretty bad.
Holy.
Like I said, you know, the more oxygen it takes, it will blow out these windows. So let's hope the fire, let's hope the fireman gets over there. That'd be really bad.
I would say, let's get away.
Look at
What's
that.
the emergency alert people? It's me.
Right.
There's a truck on fire outside of my window.
They didn't take that.
I'm going to try to get information to the police outside get away from it.
Yeah, how about everybody gets away from it?
Get out of town. All circuits are busy. They wouldn't take my call. For 911.
I'll call 911.
It's awesome. Maybe I was calling once.
Oh!
That's a tire.
Didn't I tell you guys? Didn't I tell you? I told you, didn't I?
You know, that's going to be...
Wow.
I'm sorry.
Watch out for that gas tank.
Got kind of stepped away for a second.
The gas tank should be. Or, no, wait. Oh, shit. That's right next to the gas tank.
Yeah, the gas tank's right by the cabin there.
Oh, yeah. The guy ran away.
It went way down.
No, it was...
That was a tire.
I don't think it's a good idea. It's not going to blow up.
Holy hell.
That was tire.
You feel that first boom when it did?
Yeah.
Oh, my God. Give me my purse there, Tom. Give me my purse. Oh, my God. Get away from the windows.
You're afraid of it.
Yeah, I don't really feel good being near the window. Because if that gas tank goes, that's going to be bad.
There's not much left. That went up quick.
What are you afraid of, dude?
You think there's anything...
It's not going to explode and go through the window.
I don't think these will explode or just burn.
That'll stop the shrapnel. That's a fire.
Yes, it is.
I don't really feel safe.
Everybody's afraid. I'll go answer your phone on the window.
I wonder if we should get away from the...
Yeah, that's why I'm standing back here.
This happened like 3 minutes. 4 minutes. It's up.
Well, you got the grass, too, that's not very wet. Yeah.
It ain't going to explode.
You know?
It's gone through its
I
phases.
just saw a little fire underneath it.
There's something.
What?
A car with lights.
A what?
A truck. Just a SUV with flashing red lights.
What could be burning that?
There was all.
Well, fire department.
No, I mean,
I told him to
you
get away
guys getting away from the window.
Yeah.
The guy got out,
You went
yeah.
right down the road.
Yeah. Tires are slow.
Yeah, that was one of the tire blowing out.
Yeah.
My people think the plane crash here. You know, with this much smoke.
Yeah, you guys, you're probably right. We probably need to move away from the windows. Oh, now it's on the ground.
Why don't we get everyone
Yeah,
away?
hey, Don. Get everybody away from the
Oh!
Let's get away from the windows, guys.
That was a gas tank.
That was not the gas tank.
No, that was a tire.
That was not a gas tank.
No, that was the air tank.
Hey,
Gas
Lisa,
tank exposed.
Jennifer, you guys are waiting.
Diesel's like a blow up.
I know.
Louise,
Means the harness don't work inside. Whatever.
Diesel's like a blow up.
Yeah.
Danny is scared. Roadblock.
hey, you guys, we're gonna ask that you get away from the windows.
That's what I'm saying.
I got it on my phone.
It's in bad shape.
Hey, John. John, get those guys away from the window.
Thanks for the window stitching.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be.
Mike's the one that's selling it. No worries.
Where's the fire department?
They're out there now.
Are they?
Yeah.
The truck's over here.
Truck's right there.
There they are. Yeah.
What was funny is the fire chief was down trying to block all this traffic and it kept going around him.
Hey, Marty.
Am I interrupting the video?
Yes.
What about?
This is definitely going on YouTube.
I'm safe.
That thing is just gone. I think they're trying to, I think, find like somewhere to hook up to the water.
There, water thing right in the front.
Yeah, but they need like, is there a hydrant out there?
I thought so.
No, the hydrant's what supplies the pressure. I mean, the hydrant's what supplies the water. The truck may be able to pressurize it even more, but they need the hydrant.
They got water going on right now.
They got water going on
Yeah,
it?
you can see it spraying off over here.
Oh, I see.
Oh, the guy who walks around to the side.
He took the hose around it.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
The way it was blowing.
Yeah, because that fire is, yeah, it's a lot white now, so.
Tammy is. She was one running.
I said, where's your vest? Where's your vest? Should have been out there first.
Well,
Somebody rang the
No,
bell.
the guy ran out of the truck.
Oh, yeah, yeah. What are they using?
I think they're just using water. I mean, it's just,
That's all they're using.
Do they?
yeah.
They're putting it out now?
Yeah, you can see, because it's white, so that's white. That's the smoke, the white smoke is from them, the water hitting it, water evaporating.
Oh, look at this shot up
Oh,
underneath.
it's not even doing anything barely.
No, it's a lot better.
Yeah.
But you can still see, like, gouts of flame just because they can't get to it all.
There's not fire ever. First time.
And it's hit the grass, yeah, off to the side.
It's what?
Ooh. They need to get the side of it, the other side. Wow. This is definitely going on YouTube.
Yeah, they got the fuel all over the ground now.
Yeah.
time
They need
water
to-
it spreads it.
They need to get over the other side.
I think they're trying to wash the fuel from the other side over this way.
Yeah, but that's just gonna get it into the
Grass.
grass.
Time to get back to the code.
Why?
It's all right to take calls now. They've got it. Hey, Cheryl.
My husband's not gonna be able to let me know myself.
Okay. Still I do. Get him to a gal on the phone. How you doing?
Hmm?
Trying to dial out.
That one came right this way.
He sneezed.
Hey, at least all the red.
There they go.